Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at this home security system. It does work with Google Home for those who are wondering. So let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys exactly what you're getting. So right away we see the presentation is very nice. Let me go ahead and show you guys what the solar panels look like. So these are the panels. That's right guys, this is powered by solar, which makes it really nice. I personally like solar way better than a power, just because if you lose power, well, there goes your security system. But for these, no problem. Plenty of cable length to run the panel far away. Okay, inside here they give you your decals, security decals, to let the people know, hey, don't do anything, we're watching. Nice little manual. All your mounting brackets, your landline cable, power cable for the hub. So this is going to be your hub. Everything's going to sync to here, your internet connect to there. That way you can control everything all right from your hub. Let me show you guys the individual cameras here. So make sure you remove the lens before using. So this is the camera. You can sync it up on the back here, mount it with the tripod that they provide you with. Let's see if there's anything else under here. Probably not. That's probably all the accessories. Yes, so that's your accessories. Again, here's your mounting brackets as well.